These might be the most legendary chocolate chip cookies in the world. Yes, the hotel famous ones, the DoubleTree style chocolate chip cookie. Warm, thick, loaded with chocolate and oats. And now you can make them at home. Let me show you how. Start with some soft butter. Add brown sugar and granulated sugar. Cream them together until light and fluffy. This is what gives you that thick, soft center. Don't rush it, give it a good 2 to 3 minutes. Mix in 1 egg and vanilla extract until smooth and glossy. Don't overmix, just until everything's combined. Now add your flour, baking soda, and just a pinch of cinnamon. The cinnamon is subtle, so you'll just notice a hint of extra warmth. Here's what makes these cookies special. Rolled oats. They give your cookie more texture and chew. Fold in the oats, chocolate drops, and chopped walnuts if you're using them. You want generous chunks, this is not a shy cookie. Now chill the dough for 30 minutes. Cold dough equals bakery style results. If you love bakery style cookies like this one, hit follow, we've got a lot more coming. Preheat your oven to 175. Scoop large portions onto a lined tray. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes. You're looking for golden edges, soft, slightly underdone centers. Let them rest for 5 minutes. They'll continue baking on the tray as they cool, and you'll end up with perfectly chewy cookies. And there you have it! Legendary chocolate chip cookies, no reservation required. Warm, gooey, perfectly thick, and slightly nostalgic. Let's try it out. Crispy edges, chewy center. You gotta try these out. If you make these, tag us and tell me, are you team walnuts or no walnuts? See you in the next bake!